up today. I looked at all these other. What is this? Oh, this is the 125cc bike, but this is the one I'm looking at. This is the one I actually want. So yeah, it's the 2019 Ninja Kawasaki 400. So yeah, this is the bike I'll be picking up today. And yeah, unfortunately I don't have a camera or vlogging anything, so I won't record that part. But when I get back to the house, I'll show you guys a little more in depth of what this bike is about, a little bit I learned on it online, and yeah, I'll show you guys more. See you in a sec. Hell yeah, man. So it's official, baby. I picked up the, let me let you see if y'all can see it. I picked up that Kawasaki Ninja 400, and that thing is looking clean. I'm talking about clean. Still have the stitching in the tires. I barely put any miles on it. All I did yesterday was drive it home and park it. That's it. So quick little specs on the bike. Pretty similar to the 18, but this is a 2019. I gotta do a little more research and tell you guys what's the difference between the 18 and the 19, but for the most part they are the same bike. I don't know what upgrades the 19 have over the 18. So yeah, man, it's a pretty cool day. I've been riding for about 45 minutes now, and I decided to come here, take a little break, so I can kind of talk about the bike a little bit. Yeah, man, I put my helmet here so it doesn't get damaged. It's a non-ABS. The way you know as an ABS, it'll have the ABS sensor here with the threading. So this is a 2019 non-ABS. I have a lot of plans for this bike. I don't plan on swapping out the exhaust anytime soon. I actually like the exhaust. But I do want to do a couple of modifications. Like I want to do the intake. I'm just going to swap out the factory intake for a K&N intake, because in my opinion the K&N intake allows more air in and it sounds throatier. I already purchased the case cover, water pump cover, and the protectors. I ordered that. I also ordered the frame bars. I don't know what they're called, man, but I ordered that also. I ordered bar ends for the bike. I ordered spools that go here on the bike. What else did I order? Oh, the fender eliminator. That should be here real soon. But I just want to give you guys a quick update, a quick view on how the bike looks and the type of bike I picked up for this 2019 year, and show you how many miles I put on it so far. Don't judge me. I know it says Honda. Don't judge me. I had to get another key lanyard, but I didn't want to give the dealership the one I already have. So to show you real quick, the bike currently has 33 miles. And yeah, that's it, man. So I'm about to get back on the road and head back home and enjoy some of this sunset a little bit. And hell yeah, man, just been a good day. Sorry I don't have anything to record with, or like a camera on my helmet. I know I should have one, but just haven't had the time or the budget to pick one up. So okay, so I saw some people. Oh, here's the key. So it goes here, you pull this up. Oh, so it slides forward. All right, and then I think you lift this, and there's my where's the little latch? Oh, here it is. So here's the latch for the seat. Oh, that's pretty cool. I want to see what's under the seat since I just got the bike. I don't know what's under here. So let me move my gloves out of the way. And let's pull this up. Oh, I can't do both at the same time. Oh, it sucks. So let me see. Set this here. Let's pull here, lift. And here's a tool bag that I'm gonna use I want to stiffen up the Oh, and I saw the anti-gravity battery. I want to pick that up as well. So there's a couple of things I'm going to do, man. It's just all going to take time and money and a little bit of patience. But yeah. So I want to close out this video. I want to thank you guys for watching this update on my Kawasaki Ninja 400 2019.